Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Call of Duty on PC or laptop fast. First step, what you need to do here, if you do not have Steam already, you just need to write on Google Steam, go to Welcome Steam, and then press Install Steam here, and then install to your computer like a normal app. And then you need to create an account. Press Login here, create an account, and then just create a account, right? Super fast and easy. I already logged in automatically, but for you should be create an account button, and then simply can create an account. And once your Steam is downloaded and your account is created, here should be something similar to this when you enter Steam. Then you just need to go to Store, press on Store, and then you just need to write here Call of Duty Warzone, right? Then this window should pop up, and then scroll down until you see download button here. I already got it, so for me it's played, but for you it should be download. Download and install the game. It's quite big, it's around 200 gigabytes, and then you should have Call of Duty on your library, and then you simply just need to press play. Once in game, then you just need to press Call of Duty Warzone here, wait for a couple of seconds, press play button here, and then select, for example, Royale, and then you can simply play. That's pretty much it.